How to create a login password in Windows 11. Search for and open Sign-in options from the taskbar. Select the Password tile and choose Add. In the pop-up window that appears, type in your new password, confirm the password, and add a password hint. Select Next when finished. Select Finish on the following screen. The password setup is complete. You can now use your new password to unlock the computer. To change your current password, return to the Sign-in Options window, select the Password tile, and choose Change. Type in your current password in the Current Password field and select Next. Type in your new password, confirm it, and add a password hint. Select Next, and then Finish. The password setup is complete. You can use your new password to unlock your computer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.